Is your job safe? Are you getting a raise this year? Will your role still exist in 5 years? If you've asked yourself any of these questions recently, you're not alone. From Google to Disney, from Burberry to Nissan, jobs are disappearing by the tens of thousands. Globally, relentlessly. Let's talk numbers. Procter & Gamble is cutting 7,000 jobs. Nissan, 11,000 gone. Burberry, the fashion icon, 1,700 laid off. Warner Brothers and Disney, thousands. Volvo, Citigroup, Intel, Microsoft, HP, all trimming their teams. Across tech alone, over 78,000 people have been laid off. More than 340 companies are involved. Startups, unicorns, tech giants. This isn't just restructuring. This is a reckoning. Let's talk about the young, the ones just entering the workforce. Fresh graduates, engineers, designers, MBAs, coders. They spend years studying, training, dreaming. But now, they're stuck between degrees and despair. In the United Kingdom, over 1 million young people are out of work. In the United States, hiring activity has fallen to its lowest point since March 2023. That's over a year of frozen opportunities. And India? The buzzword is 9% pay hike expected in 2025. That's over a year of frozen opportunities. This isn't a slowdown, it's a lockdown on careers. Why is this happening? Why are jobs vanishing faster than ever before? The answer is 2 letters long: AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept, it's a colleague, except more efficient, faster, and tireless. AI doesn't take breaks, it doesn't call in sick, it doesn't ask for promotions, it just does the job. Customer service, automated, basic programming, done in seconds. Market research, HR onboarding, even legal reviews. AI now handles all of it. And employers are watching closely. A report by the World Economic Forum says this clearly. 41% of companies plan to cut jobs to make way for AI. If you're waiting for the AI wave to hit you, it already has. Let's assume you've kept your job. But here's the next question. Are you getting paid fairly? In Italy, pay growth is just 2.7%. In India, the projection is 9%. But remember, that's on paper. Once you factor in inflation, lifestyle costs, and stagnant bonuses, there's barely anything left. You're working more hours, attending more calls, taking on more tasks, but taking home less. Welcome to the new corporate economy. Productivity up, compensation down. This next threat doesn't fire you, it fades you out. It's called skill obsolescence. In 2015, your degree gave you a career. By 2025, that same degree may barely give you a foot in the door. A McKinsey report says it best. The required skill sets for jobs have already changed by 25% since 2015. And by 2027, they'll change by another 50%. Nearly 40% of workers now live with the fear. What if I'm no longer useful? Not because they aren't hardworking, but because their skill set stopped evolving. Jobs aren't just changing, they're disappearing, while new ones emerge in fields most people haven't even heard of. So what's the answer? Should we panic? Quit? Protest? No, we prepare. The only insurance in this volatile job market is upskilling, learning new tools, new platforms, new ways to create value. Whether it's AI prompt engineering, data visualization, product design, or automation, the message is clear. Upskill or become irrelevant. The World Bank says it clearly. If the global workforce upskilled today, the world's GDP could grow by $6 trillion. For you, it could mean a better role, a raise, a new job, or the ability to choose where you work, not beg for it. Because in this economy, only the learners survive. We are entering a new era. The rules have changed. The old playbook, get a job, stay loyal, retire, is gone. Today's currency is relevance, and relevance is earned through reinvention. This is your wake-up call. Answer it before AI does.